Hi there, friends. I'm Atomie. I have a question for you. Do you know what quantum mechanics is? It's all about atoms, which is what I'm made of. I'm an atom. So are you ready to explore the amazing world of quantum mechanics? Quantum mechanics is this big, crazy thing in science that's still kind of a big mystery. Quantum mechanics is a smart person thing where some of the very smartest people in the whole world are working to figure out all the mysteries about it. And we've learned all kinds of incredible things about the world with quantum mechanics that seem almost impossible. We've been working to uncover the secret rules for how the world's smallest stuff works. Yes, atoms. Atoms and other particles too. Atoms are very, very, very tiny. Atoms are the building blocks of every single thing around you. You see, I'm not the only one. You are made of atoms. A cat and a dog are made of atoms. And walls and floors and ceilings, entire buildings made of atoms. And every grain of sand is made of hundreds or thousands of atoms. Every time you breathe, you are breathing in the air, which is made of so many atoms. Every time you drink water or milk, you are drinking a type of atoms. Imagine building a giant Lego man out of Lego bricks. Each brick is sort of like an atom. But unlike Legos, which stays exactly where you put them, atoms and their parts are always moving, jittering about, dancing around, and interacting in ways that seem impossible, like disappearing from one spot and immediately reappearing in a spot somewhere else nearby. They're like little heroes in a video game that have special superpowers, allowing them to do things no one would believe if we didn't have the proof of science to show us it's true. We'll talk about what atoms are all about and why quantum mechanics is so cool. So everything is made up of atoms. The chemicals and elements of science are all different atoms. Medicine is made of atoms, but also poison is too. Food is made of atoms, and tablets and phones are also. People, animals, germs, even the stars and the sun and moon are all made of atoms. These little tiny dudes like me are all sticking together almost like buddies and pals holding hands to make you and everyone you know. When a certain bunch of atoms get together and join up into a group or a family, it's not just called a bunch of atoms in a group, they call it a molecule. Like water, because one molecule of water is made of 3 atoms holding hands as a group. So water is made of water molecules, but water molecules are made of several atoms. So even still, that means water is ultimately made of atoms. So now you see everything is made of molecules and atoms. Since all the physical stuff we can pick up and touch is made of atoms, and atoms come together to make molecules, we needed to come up with a name to call all this stuff of the universe. We have a great name. People call it matter. This is because what we call matter is all the stuff that really matters. We can touch it, use it, and interact with it. So this is the stuff that matters. All matter has a special feature or property that makes it matter. This is called mass. Mass basically means if you have a lot of matter of some type, it could be heavy, and when you add more, it will get heavier. Mass also means a second thing, because you can feel matter physically and not just have your hands pass through matter like a ghost. This means that they take up space. They take up area or volume, meaning you can't have 2 people taking up the exact same spot at the same time. All matter has a type of hardness or solidness that makes them need their own area. It's like you can't put every single thing in your house into your backpack. The stuff won't fit. The matter takes up space and won't fit. You can cram things tightly together, but things are not like ghosts. They have mass. This is the end of our first video on atoms and the strange and awesome rules of quantum mechanics. If you want to hear more, check back for part 2. Bye!